Hi friends, this is Dr. R. Dinesh Babu. Today presentation is truth table using common logical connectives. Dear friends, please subscribe my channel after watching this video and click the bell button to get new updates. In previous video lecture, we discussed what is connective and what are the types of connective. In this video lecture, we will discuss how to construct the truth table by using common logical connectives. Common logical connectives is nothing but uh, we, we are using types of connectives, which means negation connective, conjunction connective, disjunction connective, biconditional and conditional connectives. So now we see the first example is construct the truth table for the proposition PRQ and negation Q. So here the given statement having three connectives. One is negation connective, second one is conjunction connective, another one is disjunction connectives. So before we solve this problem, we should know one important result. If the number of compound statement is n, then the truth table is 2 power n rows. Here the given statements are 2, so that we can write the truth table as 2 power n equal to 2 square, that is equal to 4 rows. Now we are going to write p statement separately, q statement separately, then we write negation q separately, then we write prq, then we write the given statement values, right? So here how to write p statement is we have one shortcut idea. So here you see you can divide it by 2. What is 4 by 2? You get answer is 2. So you can write first 2, you can write true true, remaining 2 rows you can write false false. Otherwise you can write 2 rows false false, remaining 2 rows you can write to q statement. So here we have again you can divide it by 2, you get answer is 1. So you can write true false, okay, otherwise false true, that is your wish. Now to find a negation q. What is negation connective? If the given statement is true, then the negation of given statement is false. If the given statement is false, then negation of given statement is true. So now I am going to find a negation q. Negation q means first you go to q statement, then you find a negation q. So here q statement first one is true, so you get false. Second is false, so you get true. So like that you get remaining values. Now I am going to find PRQ. What is PRQ? PRQ is nothing but disjunction connectives. What is disjunction connective? If at least one statement is true, then PRQ is true. Otherwise it is false. So if the statement is P, second statement Q. I am going to find PRQ. Here both statement is true, so you get it true. One statement false, one statement false, one statement true, so you get it true. Here one statement is can write true. Here the statements are false and write false. Now I am going to find given statement. So here you consider this is your first statement, this is your second. Okay, using conjunction connectives, we are going to find given statement value. What is conjunction connective? If both statements are true, you get conjunction connective is true. Otherwise, it is false. So you consider this is your first statement, this is your second statement. You can see first statement to second statement. Okay, here first statement true, second statement false, so false. Here both statements are true, so that you can write here true. Remaining is you can write false. Now we see second example. What is second example is construct the truth table P and Q or negation R. Here you see how many statements are given. 3 statements are given. So this is here not 2. So we can write 3 statements. So therefore the truth table is 2 power 3 equal to 8 rows. So one statement P, second statement Q, third statement is R. Once you know what is R statement, then only we can able to find negation R, right? So you can already I said that shortcut idea. So here we have 8 row is there. You can divide it by 2. What is 8 by 2? You get 4, right? So first 4 rows you can write true. Remaining 4 rows you can write false. Next you write Q. Coming to Q statement, again divided by 2. What is 4 by 2? You get it 2. So first two statement you can write it true, remaining 2 you can write false. Like that you can write remaining values. Again to R statement, so we have answer is 2, right? So again divided by 2. So you get answer is 1. So you can write true, false like that. Now I am going to find P and Q separately. Why? Because this is given statement. So you find P and Q separately. Negation or you find separately. Then you find this value. What is P and Q? P and Q is nothing but conjunction connective. Conjunction connective means both the statement is true. So here you see P statement, first one Q statement, first one true. So both the statements are true. You get it true. Second also true. Remaining you see one is true, one statement is false, so you get remaining values are false. Next I am going to find a negation or, so you take negation, you know, if R statement is true, negation R is false. True means false, false means true. So here you see true, so you get a false you get a true. So like that you get remaining values. Now I am going to find this value. How to find this value? You consider this statement, this is second statement, right? So here disjunction connectives. What is disjunction connectives? If at least one statement is true, you get true, otherwise it is false. You see first statement true, second statement false, so you get it true. Both are, you get it true. Here third one you see both statement is, so that you get false. Remaining things are get a true, false, true only. Okay. Now you see third example. So this is last example. You see construct the truth table for the compound statement P and P then Q then Q. So here how many connectives are given? Two connectives are given. One conjunction connective, another one is conditional connective. Okay. Number of statement is two statements. So how many rows we get? 4 rows we get. So first the 2 rows you can write true true. Remaining 2 rows you can write false false. Coming to Q statement you can write alternatively. So what is connectives? If first statement satisfies true, second statement satisfies false, then P conditional Q is false. The rest cases are true. Okay. You see first true, second statement true, you get true. Here you see second one, first statement satisfies true, second statement satisfies false. Therefore, you get false. Otherwise, you get true. First statement false, second statement true, you get true, true, true. Next, I am going to find this LHS value separately. P and P, you consider this is first statement, this is second statement. Using conjunction connectives, you get, what is conjunction connective? If both statements are true, so you get true. Remaining 3 values get false. Next, you find the statement values. So you consider this is first statement, this is second statement. Using conditional connectives. What is conditional connective? Already I said that first statement satisfies true, second statement satisfies false, then conditional statement is false. Otherwise, you get true. So you consider this first statement, this is second statement. First statement true, second statement true, so you get true. First statement false, second statement also false, you get true. First statement false, second statement true, so you get true. Last one you get, okay. So this is for a practice problem. Here you can apply biconditional connectives. What is biconditional connectives? Biconditional connectives is nothing but if both statements are true, you get it true. Otherwise, if both statements are false, you get it true. One statement true, one statement false means you get a false. Okay. Same model you can apply here. You get this is right. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.